The Windows 11 First Insider release is now available for Windows Insiders. If you are an insider, you can download it from Windows Updates. Let's check how to download this update and have a first impression of it from this video. I am going from the beginning. Let's register for the Insider program. Go to Settings, Update and Security, and Windows Insider Program. Click on the Get Started button. It will ask you to link a Microsoft account. I am logged in using my existing account. Now you must select the Insider channel. I'll continue with the Beta channel. Then it will ask you to restart the computer. Let's log into the system and check the Insider settings. You can see that your selection is applied. If you want, you can change the channel by clicking on the currently selected channel and select the channel you want. Let's check the updates now. Go to Windows Update and click on the Check for Updates button. It will show you the current updates and it will automatically start the downloading. This may take some time depending on your internet connection, and it will start installing automatically upon the download completion. It will ask you to restart the computer after completing the installation and automatically continue the update process. Your computer may restart multiple times while updating. It took about 30 minutes to complete the update on an SSD, and it may vary depending on your hard disk drive and its speed. Now the update is completed and let's check what has changed. The lock screen is a bit changed. The time is showing on the top middle of the lock screen. Well, the desktop is not changed. The desktop context menu has some visual changes. And there is a new command, Show More Options. It shows the old desktop context menu, but we can expect something new in the next release. The Start menu and the other icons and their contents are not changed. Some reports have shown that the Microsoft Store has updated, but the old store is there for me. We shall check the Microsoft Store and the new Office release in the in-depth review. The notifications icon has been removed from the taskbar. The notifications are showing above the date when you click on the date on the taskbar. The biggest change you can see is the revamped interface of the settings window. It looks much better than the previous Windows 11 build, but you can see some performance issues compared to the previous build. You can see some lag when opening and closing Windows, and it takes much longer to boot and opening Windows. But we can ignore these issues since this is still a testing build and you can expect better performances in the next releases. We shall meet in the next video for an in-depth review of the first Windows 11 Insider release update. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.